Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Wix, full guide step by step clearly. To scale your business using Wix, start by understanding what scalability means for your brand. Research your target audience and define their needs and preferences. Analyze your current website traffic and performance using Wix's built-in analytics tools. Identify what features are currently working for you and what areas need improvement. Choose the right Wix plan that suits your growth needs, considering options for bandwidth, storage, and additional features. Utilize Wix's mobile optimization tools to ensure your website is accessible to a wider audience. Create a content strategy that highlights your products or services while engaging your visitors. Incorporate Wix's SEO tools to enhance your website's visibility on search engines. Utilize professional templates or customize your own to create a visually appealing and user-friendly site. Add e-commerce functionality if you're selling products, making sure the checkout process is smooth. Integrate social media channels to expand your reach and build a community around your brand. Implement email marketing campaigns through Wix to keep your customers informed and engaged. Regularly update your content to keep your website fresh and relevant for returning visitors. Gather testimonials and reviews to build credibility and trust with potential customers. Monitor your website's performance and make data-driven adjustments as needed. Consider adding additional functionalities like booking systems or chat support to enhance user experience. Use Wix's automation tools to streamline repetitive tasks for more efficient operations. Create a blog to establish your authority in your niche and drive organic traffic. Leverage Wix's marketing tools to create promotions and special offers that attract new customers. Continuously test different strategies and tools to find the best combination for your business growth. Engage with your audience through comments, feedback, and regular updates to foster loyalty. Plan for future growth by continuously assessing and adapting your Wix website to scale with your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.